Let's talk about Tamil Nadu. Let's go across to Uma Sudhir, who's outside Mr. Karunanidhi's residence. Is there sullen? Have they given up? Are they still hope? Uma, what's happening there right now?
They would like to say they are cautiously optimistic. All of them, in fact, Kanimuri, Mr. M.K. Stalin, Dayanidhi Maran, A. Raja, all of them came in one by one. They are all inside the Gopalpuram residence of Mr. Karunanidhi. In the last days, in fact, they had begun to tell us that they are feeling nervous. Traditionally, we say that AIADMK, the rural women, in fact, vote for the AIADMK, and with Jayalalitha also talking about special subs for that. Is that what also worked? Because more number of women voted in this particular election than even men. At the DMK headquarters, it is business as usual. More number of policemen only because today is election day, I guess, counting day, I guess. But otherwise, the mood, none of them, in fact, are willing to come out and speak confidently and say, yes, we are going to make it. They're saying, yes, we will talk to you after the trends are more clearly known. So in that sense, perhaps not looking so confident. Who is arriving there? There's one more arrival there.
More and more leaders coming to meet Mr. Karunanidhi, right?
More and more leaders coming in to meet Mr. Karunanidhi. All of them usually tend to gather at the Gopalpuram residence. We are talking about several issues that the DMK had promised and whether the freebies really work. Because when we were touring, while the intellectual opinion has been that freebies are not good, industry has been saying that, you know, when AIADMK, before AIADMK came to power, it was 1 lakh crore rupees debt, and at the end of the tenure, 2 lakh crore rupees is the overall debt of the state. While industry was not happy, business said that no more jobs are not being created, business environment is not good. But people did seem to be very happy with the schemes that she had given, the Amma Unavagam, whether it's a free many schemes that she spoke about. And Jayalalitha, in fact, it was on that one particular point that she was making her entire campaign that I gave you much more than what I had even promised, and you can expect all that and more. Perhaps that's the reason why we are seeing these kind of trends, but everyone here equally confused and curious. I see policemen, in fact, standing here and there and, in fact, looking into mobiles and very curiously finding out which way the wind is going to blow, because even now they are not very sure, though we are seeing as of now a positive edge perhaps for the AIADMK.
In fact, Uma, I mean, just looking at the body language and the fact that there's no dancing, no celebration, it looks as though they are accepting that they've lost this election, the DMK. Have they?
It would. Yes, Pranay.
Yes, just from the mood there. I mean, just seeing those leaders walk in, they're not waving at anybody. They are just sullenly going in to meet Mr. Karunanidhi. There's no dancing outside. The writing seems to be on the wall for them.
Yes, even the voting percentages going down was something that they were quite worried about. They were hoping that with higher voting percentages, we would think traditional wisdom would be that, yes, there is anger about the AIADMK government, but that voting percentage also being down was something that they were quite concerned about. And of course, Stalin was making fun of AIADMK, saying that she has copied our entire manifesto. So there was nothing that the manifesto of the DMK offered which the AIADMK in a sense did not. Prohibition was one issue, but even on that, Jayalalitha came in late because no one really expects prohibition. There's shops to close down in one day. She has promised face prohibition, and perhaps even on that count, perhaps the AIADMK got some votes because there would be many who don't want that kind of a crackdown on the Tasmac and liquor shops either.
On prohibition, maybe the men voted for Jayalalitha. Okay, thanks a lot. We'll be coming back to you as the picture gets clearer and clearer. Thanks very much. And let's go across to Sam, who's outside Jayalalitha's residence. Completely different mood there. Sam, what's it like?
That's right, Dr. Pranay. In fact, there it's celebration outside Jayalalitha's residence. If the camera can pan, this is what you see. In fact, it was a late start for a long time. The party color did not really come to Jayalalitha's residence here, but now once the trend became a little clear, once they knew that a lot of AIADMK is on the lead, hundreds of people are gathering here and dancing. It's all celebration. ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கா?
சந்தோஷமா இருக்காங்க. அம்மா எண்ணற்ற சாதனை செஞ்சிருக்காங்க. பொதுமக்களுக்கு, தமிழ்நாட்டு மக்களுக்கு அம்மா தான்.
She says Jayalalitha has done lots of achievements in terms of our welfare schemes to people. இதுக்கு எதிர்பார்த்தீங்களா?
நாங்கள் எதிர்பார்த்த வெற்றி சில சேனல்கள் வேண்டுமென்றே திமுக தான் வரும் 234 தொகுதிகளிலும் என்று பொய்யான கருத்துக்களை கூறினார்கள். மக்கள் அதை முறியடித்து புரட்சி தலைவியை ஆட்சியில் அமர்த்துவார்கள். சந்தோஷம் சந்தோஷம்
She says she's very happy. They expected this kind of a victory, although many exit polls predicted it wrong, she says.
அம்மா வந்து செய்த சாதனைகளை முன்னிட்டு தான் அம்மா முதல்ல வெற்றி பெற்றிருக்காங்க.
வெற்றி பெற அளவுக்கு இப்ப நம்பிக்கை இருக்கு உங்களுக்கு?
நம்பிக்கை இருக்கு. அம்மா தான் வருவாங்க. எங்களுக்கு 100%.
அம்மாவை தவிர யாருமே இல்ல.
They're quite confident that Jayalalitha will be able to form the next government here.
இளைய தலைமுறை எல்லாம் அம்மாவுக்கு தான் ஓட்டு போட்டிருக்காங்க. அம்மா தான் வரணும். அம்மா செஞ்ச சாதனை,
நல்லா ஓட்டு போட்டாங்க.
அம்மா வந்து செஞ்ச சாதனைகள், அம்மா செஞ்ச சாதனைகளால இளைய தலைமுறை
She says the younger generation voted in large numbers for AIADMK.
எவ்வளவு கொடுத்தாங்க முக்கியம். அதனால அம்மா தான் வரணும்.
பெண்கள் எல்லாம் அம்மா ஓட்டு போட்டீங்களா?
அம்மா எல்லாரும் அம்மா தான், பெண்கள் அம்மா போட்டு புரட்சி தலைவி அம்மா தான் வரணும். பெண்கள் தான் வரணும். அம்மா புரட்சி தலைவி அம்மா தான்.
So here she says Jayalalitha has done lots of good things for women, and that's why women in large numbers have voted. So the ultimate results may not be clear yet, but already the mood is quite upbeat, Dr. Roy, outside Jayalalitha's post-garden residence.